Guess what this is? It is an eyeliner applicator by Guide Beauty. Makeup, tools, and brushes. After I was burned, I loved doing my makeup, but actually holding a makeup brush to do it, I would drop them and drop them and drop them. Perfect. Just holding this brush this way is absolutely amazing. Steady it with your finger and just lightly drag it across the surface of the gel liner. And then you're able to tight line, create a wing, anything you want. We're going to use small motions. I have told y'all many times, God does not make straight lines. You don't need them. Perfect wings are made with pointy Q-tips and micellar water. Just go in, clean it up any way you need to. And just remember that you can do anything. Whatever you have, just don't give up. Don't give up. I love y'all. And remember that whatever you're going through, this too shall pass.